Welcome back. Today we are again working on the Mark III. Today I have our first mod to install. It's going to be an oil catch can because it loves to blow smoke under boost, because the way these cars are designed, the PCV pulls straight out of the valve cover when the turbo makes compression or draws vacuum. So it loves to suck oil straight out of the valve cover and blow it into the intake, which causes smoke under throttle, which we don't want. So we're going to be doing that today, and we are going to be changing the oil, because only God knows last time this thing had an oil change. So stick around, we'll see what happens. Now, what do we have for catch can, you may be asking? Well, I just have a universal catch can kit that I got off Amazon. It is internally baffled. It literally looks like some steel wool just inside the catch can. It has a dipstick to tell you how full it is. Comes with various different connectors, some hose clamps, some more Allen screws for the back of the handle, some hosing, and some tape. So this should suffice more than what we need, because we're not running any crazy amounts of boost or any crazy amount of horsepower. We're just trying to get some oil, some blow-by out of the intake. So it has been an hour or so since I last talked to you. I've been making a bracket to mount our catch can. So this bracket fits in right here with those two bolts on the back of the catch can handle. And then if you come over to the car, this bracket will bolt in. You can see this bolt hole right here for the power steering reservoir. Will bolt in right here, so the catch can will sit right here in this empty void, and it's out of the way of the fan and everything, so it'll fit right here nicely to hold it in place. It's not too far from the intake where I'm going to route it in, so it should work nicely. So this is where we stand right now. I have the catch can loosely mounted. You can see my bracket using the power steering pump reservoir bolt down there. Holds it in place, doesn't touch anything. It clears the fan with no issue. So now I just need to route my lines, and we will be good to go. The catch can is in and is all plumbed up, as you can probably tell. It is not the prettiest thing ever. There's a lot of hoses, but I need to shorten this one, and then I need to put the Teflon tape, tighten these, and then I need to paint this bracket so it doesn't rust. But I mean, it's in. It's gonna work. I need to order some hoses to clean this up a little bit, because it's kind of all over the place, because I have so many different size hoses, because they didn't send me a connector big enough for the type of hose that the Supra actually uses. So I've got like a connector piece with a fitting in the middle just to adapt to the different size. It's a mess, but it'll work fine. So I just need to tighten everything up, shorten the hoses, paint the bracket, and we will be good to go. Alright. All plumbed up, hose clamped off. I have the bracket off, and it is painted and drying right here. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting. Here we go. Nice, just gloss black. So then that'll all go back in, but for now I'm going to hop underneath and change the oil. Oil is changed and the catch can is installed. I'm really proud of how it came out. Looks really nice and clean. Hopefully this solves the blow-by problem. It should. And then we're just on to addressing all of the oil leaks, which is going to be a lot of fun. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you learned anything, let me know. I hope so. I mean, not that I really did a great job documenting, but I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.